From a nostalgic Andaz reunion to Priyanka Chopra FaceTiming Nick Jonas, from Ananya Pandey turning heads in fiery red to Shubman Gill making his Royal Box debut alongside Sachin Tendulkar, Wimbledon 2026 wasn't just serving aces, it served unforgettable celebrity moments too. And trust us, Bollywood completely stole the show. The Wimbledon Championships once again became the hottest celebrity destination in London, bringing together actors, athletes, and public figures from across the globe. But this year, Indian stars ensured the spotlight stayed firmly on them. Let's begin with the moment that sent fans into a nostalgic frenzy. Priyanka Chopra reunited with her Andaz co-star Lara Dutta at Wimbledon, and fans simply couldn't get enough. Priyanka later shared a picture from their reunion on Instagram with the caption, "So good to see my girl." That one line instantly became the talk of social media. For those who don't remember, Priyanka Chopra won Miss World in 2000 while Lara Dutta was crowned Miss Universe the very same year. The two later starred together in the 2003 hit Andaz alongside Akshay Kumar. So naturally, fans flooded social media with nostalgic comments. One fan wrote, "Andaz is back." Another commented, "Miss World and Miss Universe together." And perhaps the most viral reaction was, "Only Akshay is missing from the frame." It was a reunion that instantly took fans back more than 2 decades. But that wasn't Priyanka's only viral moment. The global icon attended the women's singles semi-final in an elegant all-white ensemble, complete with a matching headscarf, sunglasses, and effortless Wimbledon elegance. And while the match was unfolding, Priyanka made another heartwarming gesture. She FaceTimed husband Nick Jonas from center court so he wouldn't miss the action. Speaking about the tradition, Priyanka said, "It's wonderful this season. Usually Nick accompanies me to Wimbledon and he's a big fan, but he wasn't able to do that this time as he's back home in LA. It was a 3-second video call. All of us do that." A small moment, but one fans absolutely loved. Bollywood's fashion parade didn't stop there. South actress Kalyani Priyadarshini embraced classic Wimbledon elegance in a powder blue midi dress featuring a high neckline, button front detailing, and an asymmetrical hemline. Keeping her look minimal, she paired it with soft waves and understated makeup, proving that simplicity can be incredibly stylish. Then came Srilela. The actress opted for a completely different fashion statement. She wore a navy pinstripe power suit with an oversized blazer, relaxed trousers, a white tank top and nude heels, finishing the look with gold earrings, sunglasses and a sleek low ponytail. A polished yet effortless Wimbledon appearance. And just when everyone thought the fashion game was over, Ananya Pandey arrived. The actress grabbed everyone's attention in a vibrant red Ralph Lauren midi dress during the men's singles semi-finals. She paired the striking outfit with an off-white Chanel bag, minimal jewelry, natural makeup, and loose waves, creating one of the tournament's most talked about looks. Her appearance quickly went viral across social media as fashion pages called it one of the standout celebrity looks from Wimbledon 2026. The celebrity turnout didn't end there. Actor couple Archana Puran Singh and Parmeet Sethi were also spotted enjoying the Wimbledon atmosphere in London, adding to the growing list of Indian celebrities attending this year's championships. Of course, Wimbledon wasn't just about Bollywood. Indian cricket also made a strong appearance. Sachin Tendulkar and India's captain Shubman Gill were spotted in the prestigious Royal Box as they watched Alexander Zverev book his place in the Wimbledon final. For Gill, it marked his first experience watching Wimbledon from one of the tournament's most exclusive seats before returning to captain India in the upcoming ODI series against England. From nostalgic reunions and heartfelt FaceTime moments to stunning fashion statements and cricket royalty in the Royal Box, Wimbledon 2026 reminded everyone that centre court isn't just where champions are made. Sometimes it's where the biggest celebrity moments are created too. So tell us in the comments, whose Wimbledon look was your favorite? Priyanka Chopra, Ananya Pandey, Srilela, or Kalyani Priyadarshini?